Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make faceless YouTube videos with AI. So have you noticed how there are tons of YouTube channels these days making simple faceless animated videos and they're getting crazy views. And the best part, they're doing it without even showing their face or even recording their voice. So if you have ever wanted to start a YouTube channel but didn't want to show your face or use your voice, then this is your chance to make it happen without any stress. Now you might be thinking, but I do not have any fancy animation skills or a mic or even editing software. Well, guess what? You don't need any of that. AI can literally handle all of it for you, and I am about to show you how. So let's dive in. First things first, choose a niche. Now, this is just a fancy way of saying, what do you want your videos to be about? You can go for storytelling, life lessons, true crime, kid stories, or even motivational content. For example, there are channels posting kid stories with AI visuals and they are getting millions of views with super simple content. And if you're stuck, open ChatGPT and type something like, give me 10 faceless YouTube video ideas. Pick something you won't get bored of because you will be making tons of videos around it. Okay, now let's move to the step 2. Now, once you have nailed your niche, it's time to write a script. But don't worry, you don't need to be a professional writer. Just type a prompt into ChatGPT like write a 2-minute inspirational script about not giving up or write a story about a haunted house in the forest. And that's it. You will have a ready to go voiceover script within seconds. Now you can tweak the tone to be funny, dramatic, emotional, or whatever fits your channel vibe. Now this saves hours of brainstorming and writing. Now it's time for step 3. So here comes the fun part, turning your script into a video. So visit InVideo AI, and after signing up, this is the dashboard where you will land on. So this is the box where you have to paste the script that you already generated from ChatGPT. So go back to ChatGPT, copy the content, and then paste it in this box. Okay, now click on generate and you will land on screen like this. Now here you can see we have two options. The first is stock media and the other is generative media. If you're using free plan, then go with stock media and here choose these options and then click on continue. And with that, within few minutes, this AI will generate your video. Now this is the video and you can play it to see how it works. Now let's say you want to fine tune your video, you totally can. If you hate the voice that AI picked, below the video you can see this box, click on it and here you can add what sort of voice you're looking for. Let's say the AI picked a male voice, but you want here a female voice with British accent. Just type this over here and then click on generate. And this AI is going to regenerate the video for you. And if you feel like some of the visuals are not going well with the audio, then click on edit. And now we are in this media section. And here you can see we have this option of stock. Click on it. So here you will find stock footages. And now you can replace these videos with the existing one. For this, simply click on replace and you can see now it is replaced. And you can also edit script. For this, click on script and now on this screen, you can make any changes in your script. After that, click on save and if you're happy how your video looks, that's awesome. Now click on download and with that, the video is going to be saved into your device and is ready for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or wherever you wanted to post it. You can create a full video in less than an hour. Seriously, and the quality is professional enough to get the attention. So if you have been waiting for the perfect time to start a YouTube channel, this is it. You don't need a camera, you don't need to speak, and you don't need to spend hours editing. AI is doing the heavy lifting, you just bring the ideas. And that's all for today's video. Click the link in the description and try InVideo AI for free.